Hello, welcome to Defense Info, a one-step solution for all your defense need. Do like the video, hit the bell icon, and please like, share and subscribe before we begin. Welcome to a new episode of Defense Info. Today we will discuss about Sepecat Jaguar. So let us begin, friends. Anglo French jet aircraft originally used by British Air Force and the French Air Force in the close air support and nuclear strike routes. It is designed and developed jointly by Bareguet of France, now a part of the Dassault Aviation, and the UK-based British Aircraft Corporation. It is still in the service in the upgraded form with the Indian Air Force. Jaguar is a twin-engine ground attack fighter aircraft, and it is capable of doing ground attacks, reconnaissance missions and tactical nuclear strike capabilities. So it is generally used for nuclear deterrent missions. This Jaguar aircraft generally having a speed of Mach 1.1 at sea level and 1.6 at the ground levels. So it have a landing speed of 213 km per hour, and it having a close combat range which varies differently. Now see guys, it varies like 815 km with internal fuel tank, and it varies also 1408 km with external fuel tank, as it also carry two external fuel tank in the mission. So this range can be increased. And talking about the ferry range, it having full internal and external tanks. With that it goes up to 1902 km. So if both are filled, so it can goes on the ferry range of 1902 km. So now it having a service ceiling which is around 14,000 meter, which is equivalent to 46,000 feet, and having a G limit of 8.6 with time to altitude 9,145 meter in 1 minute and 30 seconds. So this is one of those, all those things are the specification of Jaguar aircraft. And when we talk about the Jaguars, the other things like the radar, it is currently equipped with ELTA ELM 2052 advanced AESA radar. Now this is an Israeli made radar, and currently it is equipped with this radar because recently it went for the conversion into a Darin 3 upgradation, and now it also having capabilities which like missile capability like R550 Magic air-to-air missiles on underwing payload, AS-30L laser guided bombs, AS-37 Martel anti-radar missiles. And now currently it is talking about, it is equipped and with the Rolls-Royce Turbomeca Adore Mk102 afterburning turbofan engine, which provides 22.75 kN thrust as drive and 32.5 kN thrust with afterburner. Now recently we see that the Indian Air Force need new engines for the Jaguar aircraft to increase its lifespan, because currently it is in the service, but with the upgradation it also need a good engine. So in the future we can expect new engine for the Jaguar, and its thrust by weight ratio is 0.4, which is comparatively less. And now as we talking about Darin 3 upgradation, now this Darin 3 upgradation was done to increase the capability of this aircraft. Now within this upgradation it also feature all digital cockpit enclosed with glass canopy. Now this cockpit is also equipped with head-up display, multi-function display, night vision and GPS. Other feature includes like fully integrated electronic warfare suit, AESA radar, helmet mounted display, radar altimeter, inertial navigation system, automatic direction finder, information friend or foe, weapon aiming computer, and digital database. Now this will also enhance the capability of this aircraft with the upgradation, and the enhancement includes the precision air to surface smart weapons, smart anti-airfield weapons, and air to air missiles and air to sea anti-ship missiles. Now this upgradation will be done indigenously by the Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. Now this upgradation is very much essential for this aircraft, because this aircraft is still in the service of the Indian Air Force. And now as this aircraft is currently 118 in number, and which is being currently used by the Indian Air Force. Now the number 5 Squadron Tusker, number 6 Squadron Dragons, number 14 Squadron Bulls, number 16 Squadron Cobras, number 27 Squadron Flaming Arrows, and the number 224 Squadron Warlords is now currently using this aircraft. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and keep sharing this with your friends. Till then,